refrigerator, I got the Carnivore Bar. These have been in the fridge for a while now, so they're nice and firm and hard. I'm going to go ahead and open one up, show you what they look like, take a bite, let you know what I think. So there.
Work, go and earn my pay. Work, put my boots on and lace them up.
All right. Carnivore Soldier coming at you from Austin, Texas. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing and tasting of the Carnivore Bar. So I've been excited to try them for a while. Dr. Chafee told me how great they were, and I really wanted to try them out and evaluate it. I also recommended them for MREs because I know they're healthy fats and they're shelf stable, so they don't need refrigeration. So I just wanted to taste them and let you guys know what I think. And if I like them, I'm going to offer them up on my website with a 10% discount for you all, so you can try them out yourself and see if you like them. So I'm going to go ahead and give you an honest evaluation. First, we're going to do the unboxing. So let me get over to the kitchen. We'll do the unboxing. I'll show you what comes in the box of them and talk about the ingredients, and then we'll go from there. All right, y'all. This is an unboxing and taste test of the Carnivore Bar. They were nice enough to send me a VIP box to try out. We'll see if we like these things, and if we do, I'll be able to offer you guys a discount through my channel. So not sure yet, haven't tried them, but I've been told by Dr. Chafee that these are really good, especially that you have to refrigerate them first. So I am going to do an opening here of this box, but then what we're going to do is I'm going to put them in the fridge for a few hours so I taste one in its best condition to be eaten, which is cold. He says they're kind of crunchy, which I'm looking forward to because I miss a little bit of my crunch in my meal. They got it taped up here, so I'm just going to cut these. There we go. All right. And I did ask for the ones with no honey, because I don't want any of that. Oh, look at these. Salted carnivore bars. So each one of these are over 400 calories, I know that. Yep, they're 400 calories, even. 30 grams of protein. 35 grams of fat. 0 carb. Okay? So these are going to be grass-finished beef, grass-finished tallow, and Redmond real salt. So it's all stuff that I like. Grass-finished tallow, grass-finished beef, and Redmond real salt. And from what I understand, this is pemmican, which is an traditional Indian food, but it's also used as iron rations by, I believe, the British Army when they were here. They ate this on the road. So armies have actually eaten this before. And the owner of this business, from what I understand, is a veteran. He was a combat medic, which is a whiskey. We call them whiskeys. And I was in a medical unit for a while, so I worked with the whiskeys. And he wants to get these into MREs, and I couldn't agree more, just from the nutrition value. If you just added these to the MREs, where it was an option, where it was low carb for the military, it would be such a benefit. And I can tell you, I've been chatting with veterans right now, and we all agree that if we had found this when we were active duty, it would have been a game changer. And I can't imagine what a full platoon or company running on a carnivore diet would perform like. It would be mind-blowing, because I know that I heal up better right now. I don't injure as easy. And overall, my physical strength, muscle density, bone density, everything is improved. And my motivation. So if you have a highly motivated, highly athletic, lean, an army that doesn't injure easily and that recovers from injuries faster, that's win-win-win. I mean, there's no way of losing. So this is huge. And I really think we do need to try to get these into MREs or into our servicemen's diets some way. They're not cheap, but it's quality food. And if you look at the cost per nutrient, per gram of nutrient you're getting, and the quality, you are getting like really good quality food here. So, I'm not all about eating cheap. I'm about eating the optimum food for my diet. So anyway, these are amazing. These are the salted ones. I will taste test it later on camera, and we'll get to that. So for right now, I'm just going to close this bad boy up, put it in the fridge. In a few hours, we'll jump back on together, and I'll taste test one for y'all. All right. All right, y'all. Back from the refrigerator. I got the Carnivore Bar. These have been in the fridge for a while now, so they're nice and firm and hard. I'm going to go ahead and open one up, show you what they look like, take a bite, let you know what I think. So they're in a foil wrapper, which is super nice, high quality, great for if you're going to be in the field or in a car or something. That's what they look like. It's just a bar. It feels kind of fatty. It feels good though. It's like a tallow feel. Nice and crunchy. Has a beef flavor with salt. These are salted. And a little bit of tallow texture in your mouth. It's definitely a new flavor. It doesn't taste like anything I've ever tasted before. It's good. I like it. I'll definitely be eating this whole thing. Let me finish it up. I don't want to do it on camera, and then I'll let you know what I think when I'm done. All right. Well, that went down well, and I can tell you this, it is very satiating. So I know it's only 400 calories, but I tell you what, you're not going to want to eat right after you eat one of those. You are going to want to drink, though. You want to have something to drink. It was good. It doesn't taste like anything else you've ever tasted. So I can't really compare it to anything, although the crunchiness I did like. I kind of missed that in my diet and had nice crunchiness to it. And I'm going to definitely eat these and incorporate them into my regular routine, I think. Also, the fact that they're all grass fed, and I don't really eat grass fed beef too often. I get the marbled stuff that's corn fed from Costco or the grocery store, typically, even Wagyu sometimes, which is all corn fed. So having these and adding them as supplemental to my diet will introduce more omega-3 and healthier fats, like better quality fats. So definitely going to do that. Anyway, so I recommend it, guys. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. It's going to be on my website. There will be a link there. You get 10% off if you want to try them out. Like I said, they're not cheap, but you're getting high quality food, and you can look at it as an investment in your health. And think about all the money you're saving on your standard American diet, invest some of that back into these. That's what I would do. Plus, you're helping a great business out run by a veteran who is backing the carnivore community. So you're really, backing a business that you can believe in. Because I have a problem with like Halloween's coming up with buying candy and backing those companies, but I have no problem investing in a carnivore healthy lifestyle business that's not going to make people sick. So anyway, that's all I got for now. All I got to say is stay strong and overcome. Carnivore Soldier out.